Hi Janvi,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Fantastic. All set for the work from home program?
Yes.
You know, the most important factor why we decided that we are going to offer this work from home is because when someone can add a little bit of time, okay, or can utilize a little bit of time from what they are doing currently and can use it effectively, they are also in a position to earn a bit. More than that, they become a part of a program or a new thing that we are working on, where there are a lot of plans that are going to come in, especially for people who would like to work from home. Our core idea is to empower, okay, and that's what the whole idea is. So you already know that we are talking about LeadCon, a
Yes.
sales companion tool, and I believe anybody can sell. As a matter of fact, we already are sellers. Did you know that you are also a seller?
No.
No? Tell me one thing today morning, since morning. Did you convince your parents, your partner, your friend to do something?
Yes.
Whom?
Rickshaw wala.
Rickshawala?
Yeah.
What did you convince him
The
for?
meter was increasing,
Mhm.
and I was like, this is not a right price.
भैया ये आप
हाँ.
क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ.
110 कैसे हो सकता है? 100 में चला दो. So I was just negotiating with him.
So neither didn't you only convinced him, but you also negotiated with him.
Yes, exactly.
Do you know what are these traits called as?
No.
Traits of a salesperson.
Okay.
So, all of us in our day to day lives are already selling. Okay, we are either convincing someone, we are negotiating with someone, we are trying to sell our ideas, we are trying to sell our concept, we are trying to convince our bosses, our parents to do something, we are trying to negotiate with kids for something, and these are all nothing but traits of sales.
Okay.
Okay, hence I always believe that when each and every person is a salesperson, why do we have to think or take sales as a different idea? It's just a little bit of brushing that needs to be done, and you all could be great, because when you sell it better, you achieve more, and that is what the core purpose of offering a tool which will help you sell more came into our mind through LeadCon. Okay, so there are different formulas of business, but the most important formula of business, or for which any person starts his business, is profit. Do you know what is the formula of profit?
Sales minus expenses is equal to profit.
Correct. A very simple formula,
Yes.
right? On which all the businesses are, kind of defined on. But did you know the first variable in this whole formula is sales, right? So let me put it this way. So, I had this meeting very recently where we take training. So we asked a group of a team in a company which belong to store, finance, project management, product development and execution, sales, marketing. And we asked them that what we are going to do is 2020 is gone, 2021 I want you to figure out something by which we can increase our profitability. Okay, now each and every person, each and every department in their own way started working on it. So after we said that, okay, now share your ideas. Almost all of them came up with the ideas of one, like the store guy, that okay, right now we have got 3 racks, we'll add one more rack so that we can store more in the same space. People from production said, okay, earlier we were doing 10, let me also try and see if I can accommodate more and reduce my costing. The finance people said that, okay, let me see if I can reduce my expenses so that those few percentages could be added to the profit. Each and every department except for marketing and sales were looking forward to reduce things, whereas the only 2 departments who were positive, passionate, and they had this zeal that, oh, we want to increase profit, let's go ahead and move from, if we are right now in 3 cities, let's try and add another city. They were like, earlier we were doing 20 calls, now we would like to do 40 calls. So the most important factor for gaining profit is sales. You can reduce expenses, you can control your expenses, but if you do not have sales, ultimately this profit will turn into
Loss.
Correct? Hence, sales is extremely important for any organization. So the most important factor for any organization when they start, or even before they start for that matter, is whom are they going to sell. Because if they are not selling anything to anyone, it's not an organization, isn't it?
Yes.
Only when I sell something to you, only after that can you have a relationship where there is a give and take.
Yes.
I give you my products and service, and in the return you give me money. Okay, so that's why for any business the most important factor to be profitable is sales, right? So I have a question for you. Do you want to drive a Mercedes?
Yes.
Yes. Which one?
Anyone.
Right.
Because Mercedes is a brand.
Mercedes is a brand. Okay. All right. Fair enough. So help me with a 70 lakh rupees check. Are you want to, right?
Yeah, but I don't have money.
Correct. Chalo, so the most important factor in sales is that you cannot just go and sell it to anyone,
Yes.
isn't it? Your time as a salesperson and the time that you're going to spend on someone is extremely important. You can't just go out giving Mercedes to anyone, or rather, there is not anyone and everyone who is going to go directly and buy it, right? The most important factor is knowing whom to sell what. Chalo, let's consider that you gave me the 70 lakh rupees. Right? Now, earlier you said, give me anyone. But when I give you so many options,
Yeah.
would you still say, give me anyone? Or now would there be a choice?
There will be a choice.
Right? There will be a choice. Now, let's consider you gave me 70 lakh rupees, but after that, now I'm giving you a choice. Now, how are you going to define which one to buy?
Talking to a customer, talking to the person who is selling the Mercedes, I will ask about the product which I'm buying.
So, the most important factor is you need more information.
Exactly.
You need information about
Each product.
each vehicle, each variant.
Exactly.
Sports variant, 4x4 variant, color, designs, upholstery, speed, this, that, there's so many things. And only after that would you come to a selection. That okay, now that I have given you 70 lakh, help me with XYZ Mercedes.
True.
Right? And this only happens when you know what you want to buy and I help you to clear your thoughts.
Exactly.
If you saw in just 2 slides, we moved from I want any Mercedes to I would like to have an XYZ Mercedes, right?
Yes.
So the most important factor that comes in sales is your time and to understand what does the customer need.
Okay.
To understand what is it relevant for him, to understand and to more on the lines to help him to know that what he needs, Steve Jobs says most of the times people don't know what they want unless and until you show it to them.
Exactly.
Correct?
Yes.
Hence, that is what the sales is all about. Now, universally, there is a certain sales cycle which is in the following order, where people start from prospecting. Like, would you like to have a Mercedes? Yes, everyone says, I want to have a Mercedes. 70 lakh rupees. Okay, right? But then, okay, you say, okay, I have 70 lakh rupees. Then, what is your need? Why do you want to have it? Do you want to carry a family? You just want a 2-seater, you want a 6-seater. There are so many variants.
Yeah.
So then we start identifying the needs. Then after that, is it that I am the only guy who is selling a Mercedes? As a showroom, you will go to a showroom to buy a Mercedes,
Yes.
right? So there are so many different showrooms who can
Exactly.
offer you better price, better accessories, better
Negotiate.
this, right? So after that, the most important factor is building rapport,
True.
right? Once the rapport is built up, then comes the part of giving you the idea of the products. As I said that you gave me 70 lakh, but अभी तुमको कौन सा उसमें से चाहिए? तो I have to give you share information, brochure देना चाहिए, test drive करानी चाहिए, कि test drive this, test drive that, test drive other version, and after that then you will come up with certain queries, hence answering objections. कि अरे मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, अरे मैं Mercedes लेने वाला था लेकिन अभी मैं BMW सोच रहा हूँ, So why? Because there are certain questions in the minds of the person or the customer because of which he is not able to do it. And after doing all that comes the closing of the sale. That okay, chalo, done. This is the check. Here you go, and I get it. So from prospecting or identifying needs to closing of the sale, okay, if you see the whole process, for prospecting, knowing ki Mercedes, yes, it takes you 5 minutes. For closing of the sale, for me to write the check, for you to write the check, it takes 30 seconds. But everything in between, which is a 98% of a sales cycle, is building trust, follow up, answering questions, sharing information, and so on and so forth. Correct? Right? And hence, that is how the sales funnel works. And after that, what comes is basically getting referrals, or resale. So, if now you have given 70 lakhs, maybe down the line 2 years you will say, "Arey, abhi ye nahi, mujhe wo bhi lena hai." Okay, ma'am, 1 crore rupees check. You give it and then we go buy another one. Or at the same time, because you bought from us, you might have friends who would then come to us and buy it,
Yes.
which is basically referrals. So these are all, different types of sales which happen. The most important factor of all of this is closing the sale. In all this period, do you think you have paid me anything? So I met you here,
Yes.
okay, in the first part. We went through all of these steps. In all of these steps, not even a single penny have you given me.
Exactly.
Rather, I might have spent on you for a test drive, for taking out for taking you to see maybe our service shop where the servicing happens. So many things. Maybe taking your whole family out for a dinner while I am coming there for a test drive, isn't it? So I am doing all the expenses right now. But then only when the sale gets closed, as in only when you give me the check, that is when the money goes in my bank account. Hence, don't you think knowing exactly whom to sell is very, very important?
Yes.
Right? So that we both of us spend the right time on one another. Even me as a salesperson and even you as a customer who's going to buy. Because even your time is precious. You're buying a Mercedes, right?
Yes.
So, do you invite anyone and everyone for a cup of coffee?
Not
At your-
anyone. Just people who are really, really close to me, or like family, friends.
Right?
Yeah.
So someone you trust.
Yeah.
Right? Someone whom you know that, okay, this is a good person.
For a coffee.
For a coffee.
Yes.
I mean, as simple as coffee, let me put it this way.
Yes.
For as simple as coffee, even for that, you don't just invite, "Arey, हाँ, चलो क्या कर रहे हो, चलो कॉफी पीते हैं."
No.
Does that happen? No, right? You have your own level of comfort,
Yeah.
whether it's a friend, whether it's a family, or someone you trust. And does that comfort happen in one day?
No.
No, right? So you go walking by a street. If you're walking through that street every day, okay, then maybe after a week's time, if there are common people going in and out on the same pathway, you might, "Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon,
Yes.
good evening," something would happen. Further few weeks in, then you tend to explore a bit more. And then maybe after a month or 2 months or so, there might be a situation where you say, oh, it's a pleasant evening, chalo main coffee banati hu, right? And then you may invite, only after spending that much time. So friendship is built on 2 things, which is respect and trust.
True.
If you find someone walking on the street who is like, all finicky, would you invite that person
No.
for a coffee? No, right? You'll always invite someone who is pleasing. You'll invite someone who is, with whom you feel that bond. Ki, "Arey, haan,
You're
this seems to
comfortable
be
with
comfortable." Correct. That's the right word. You feel someone, with whom you feel that, okay, this person is trustworthy.
Yeah.
Or the people he is around with, they are good. So he seems to be a good person, right? A girl, a guy, doesn't matter. But that whole bond is all built around respect and trust. That exactly is the same thing what happens in sales. Okay, you cannot just go and buy something from someone, right? You should feel that trust in your. I mean, you do it even now, right? There are so many shops which are offering clothes. But do you just go jumping in every shop and buy from each shop?
No.
You go to a person whom you know is maybe an old shop, who has got a good collection, who guides you well in buying the clothes that you wish to buy, the one who stitches them well,
Yes.
right? There are so many different criteria that you have in mind even before you enter the shop, right? And when you enter, then you trust. That too, not the first time.
Yeah.
After getting few dresses from them, then you do this thing. So what I'm trying to say is, even when you are trying to buy, you have this whole thing running in your mind that whether I should go into this shop, why should I go into this shop, and so on and so forth. The purpose is simple. You want something which is the best.
Yes.
Correct? And that is what the whole idea is. So, as I said, as simple as coffee, if we cannot invite just anyone for a cup of coffee, how is someone going to give you 70 lakh rupees of check for a Mercedes just like that? No one would, right? So let's move from a Mercedes to a very simple product, maybe a small phone, or maybe for that matter, someone who's selling a year diary, the yearly diaries. You can't just go and pick it up if someone is coming to sell it to you. You will see what is it, how it is, how many pages does it have, how many extra pages does it have, can it do this, can it do that, which pen does the ink bloat, so many things.
Yes.
And you will only buy that thing once you have understood, once you know that okay, अगर कुछ कल इसके साथ कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया तो this person can help me, guide me, or maybe change it for me, whatever it is, right? And so keeping that in mind, the most important factor, okay, of sales is now one question to you is, whom do we trust with our lives?
Our parents,
Then,
family members,
and
friends.
lives, I'm talking about lives. If something happens to you, whom do you trust with your life?
Of course, parents first.
And
Family, that's it.
that's it.
Yeah.
Don't you think so that you would trust the doctors?
Yes, because of this pandemic now, yes, of course, yes.
Not only pandemic, but even in any case, if it is a life-threatening situation that you are going through, okay, your parents will pray.
Yeah.
If you have got a cut, do you think your parents can stitch it at home?
No.
No. If you got a very bad flu, not COVID, but a bad flu, still can parents, heal you?
No.
It's the doctors,
Yes.
right? And you go to the doctor because you know that that person is going to help me or make me healthy. That the doctor is going to take care of everything, anything. Now, while doing it, do you just sit down? अच्छा ये डॉक्टर के पिछला वाला ये बराबर हुआ था क्या? Had he solved the flu of other person? अच्छा show me इसका report card, इसका BMS का degree दिखाओ. ऐसा कभी होता है?
No.
We trust the doctor,
Yes.
right? Now and that's why the doctors also trust us. I mean, it's that is why they are called as doctors, isn't it? They
Yes.
come and treat us and they make us healthy, right? In a similar fashion, the most important, the first step of sales, I say, is it starts with a hello. Where if you're going to a doctor, as I said, the most important factor today that I try to deal with, I mean, what I'm trying to say is that we as salespeople have to look at it from a perspective that we are doctors.
Okay.
But we are not healing lives, we are healing businesses. Why? Because most of the businesses that go down is because they are not able to sell, is because they are not being profitable. It's because that their products are no more either not sellable or not reaching out to the right people or whatever it is. But at the core of every business failing, you pull out any history book, anything, the core for any business failing is its sales. It's sales. So if you consider yourself as a doctor or doctor who is going to heal businesses, now do you feel powerful?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Do you feel that responsibility that okay, I am going to heal this business through increasing their sales?
Yes.
Right? So now tell me, if you go to a doctor, does the doctor just simply हाँ आ जाओ हाँ इंजेक्शन लेके आओ?
No.
ऐसा होता है कभी?
No.
नहीं, right? It always starts with a
Hello.
right? Where we are, the first most important elements is very okay. Is doctor, there, we are there, okay? So we
Yes.
want his attention. Same thing happens with sales. It all starts with a hello. Right? If the person, does that hello work?
No.
No, right? So you again have to, hello, am I reaching so and so? It has to be in that format where there is a give and take again. After, so you went to the doctor, you did your hello and so after that again, does the doctor give you an injection
No,
directly?
he will
No, right?
ask you.
Yes. So he'll
What's
ask
wrong?
you, he examines you, what's wrong with you, what's
Yeah.
happening, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों आए हो, all these questions. Then you give your idea of what the problem is, right? कि
Yes.
मुझे बुखार आया परसों, फिर ये हुआ, फिर फलाना हुआ, ढिमका हुआ, ये, and you share all your problems. After you have shared, after the doctor has examined, what he does is
Check up.
he diagnoses that okay, अच्छा बुखार आया, फिर तुमने ये हुआ, फिर वो हुआ, अच्छा बाहर खाना खाया था. So that is his diagnosis,
Yes.
which tells him that अच्छा ये हुआ था, तो तुम्हारा this is the case कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, तो this is what you need. And after that is when he prescribes you, isn't it? That अच्छा तुम्हें ना ये हुआ है, ये दवाई ले लो, ये 2 बार, ये 3 बार, और you should be good. Correct?
Yes.
In a similar fashion, the same thing happens with businesses. If you want to heal a business, turn profitable, to become strong, can you just go and sir आप ये ले लो, आपका ठीक हो जाएगा? वो सिर्फ जादू टोना करने वाले लोग करते हैं. अरे हाँ आओ बैठो, ये इधर 5,000 रुपए दे दो, ये आपका हाँ हो जाएगा, बिजनेस एकदम तरक्की हो जाएगी. वो जादू टोना करने वाले लोग होते हैं. But if you really want to be that person who can actually heal a business, then you have to take them through all these steps. First, you build, a rapport with a hello. Okay, the starting point. After that, you examine. There are times when the doctors, they might not prescribe you a medicine. They just tell you, कुछ नहीं, आज रात को आराम से सो जाओ, कल देखते हैं. Because the doctor knows the problem is you are not having a very grave problem. It is just the sleep that you need.
Exactly.
Isn't it? So that falls again in the same procedure. So even the medicines, what the doctor gives you changes on the basis of his examination and diagnosis. In a similar fashion, there might be cases where businesses just need a little push, maybe some guidance, but examination at that time is extremely important. Ki whether the business with whom we are talking to, does it fall under a certain element? Does it really need help? What are its problems? And so on and so on. Because only after understanding their problems is when you can diagnose it. Like, you can understand, अच्छा okay, आपने ये नया प्रोडक्ट बनाया और ये बेचा नहीं जा रहा है. क्यों नहीं बेचा जा रहा है? अरे वो हम कॉल करते हैं लेकिन कस्टमर कहते हैं कि अरे हमको नहीं चाहिए, वेयर एज दीज आर लीड्स कमिंग फ्रॉम फेसबुक, और वो वेबसाइट पे जाके डाल रहे हैं. तो डज इट मीन कि आप जो उनको बता रहे हो, आपने जो वेबसाइट पे दिया हुआ है उसमें और आप जो बोल रहे हो उसमें फ़र्क है? हैव यू चेक दैट? राइट? Is it a case that you are reaching out to the customers at the wrong time of the period? मतलब उसको चाहिए था और अभी आप उसको 10 दिन बाद फोन कर रहे हो, तो भी उसकी नीड चली गई. राइट? So keeping that in mind, once you examine the different problems that a business is going through, only on that basis can you offer him a help, prescription. You can offer him the right medicine for their problems. And I said you are a doctor, right? So you are a sales doctor. Let's call it as. So the most important factor is helping them, healing their businesses so that they can become profitable. So that and when I say profitable, it's not just about going from losses to profit or profit ka 2% profit. It's exponential profit. Why not? If there are your competitors who are already making more money than you are, that means there is a lot of market scope still available. Right? There's a lot of cake which is still available, from which you can still take a bigger bite. But to get that bigger bite, you also need a bigger spoon. And that bigger spoon is your sales.
Yes.
Right? Your sales cycle, your sales funnels and everything. Okay? So now, whom can you sell?
The right audience.
Correct? So, the most important factor is, as I said, ना डॉक्टर डायरेक्टली जाके इंजेक्शन देगा, ना कोई भी रास्ते पे चलने वाला बंदा आपसे पास से मर्सिडीज लेगा. Right? There is a very specific type of audience who can buy from you.
Yes.
Right? And at the same time, whom you can sell. The most important two reasons for which people buy or to whom you can sell is, the first reason is if the product or service that you are offering is solving a problem. You are going out to buy some clothes. Okay? You either have in mind that, oh, मेरे पास I need to buy something for a certain occasion. Okay, जिसके लिए तुम्हारे पास उस specific occasion के लिए ड्रेस नहीं है. Now that is a problem.
Yeah.
And what is the solution on that problem? Going and buying something which is fit to that occasion.
True.
Correct? So the most important element of buying something is one revolving around if your product or service is able to solve a problem. Okay?
Yes.
Same happens with a Mercedes. Oh, I earlier had this, but now I need a Mercedes. I want that brand. I want that leisure. I want that, So that, for me, currently my problem is that, the car I'm driving does not give me that feel. Now I want to move from that to this. Okay? Hence, I would like to buy a Mercedes. So there's a problem, and again, so for each and every person, if he wants to buy, like for example, you're driving a car. Okay, it's 10 years old. And I tell you, अरे जानवी गाड़ी पुरानी होगी नहीं ले लो. अरे हाँ लेनी है वो क्या है जरा टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है वो टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए बुलाया वो ये नहीं हो रहा है वो नहीं हो रहा है. And you want to buy it, you want to genuinely you want to, you have the money, you have everything, but because your current vehicle is already running, you are not so keen on it.
Yes.
अभी कल ऐसे हो जाता है गाड़ी बंद पड़ जाती है, इंजन ठप हो जाता है. जो सर्विस वाला बंदा है वो तुमको कहता है कि इसके आपको 2 लाख रुपए देने पड़ेंगे और इसके लिए 15 दिन लगेंगे गाड़ी ठीक होके आने में. सो नाउ वुड यू वेट फॉर दैट और वुड यू सिंपली गो एंड बाय अ कार?
Simply go and buy a car.
राइट?
Yes.
बिकॉज नाउ यूर देखते लेनी है हैज टर्न्ड इनटू अ नीड,
Yes.
एन अर्जेंसी कि मुझे अब भी गाड़ी चाहिए क्योंकि मैं अगर गाड़ी से नहीं जाऊंगी तो आई कैनॉट ट्रैवल, आई कैनॉट गो टू वर्क, आई कैनॉट डू दिस, आई कैनॉट डू दैट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई योर अर्जेंसी या फिर कि हाँ देखते हैं हैज टर्न्ड इनटू एन अर्जेंट नीड व्हिच इज सॉल्विंग अ problem. So in most cases, if you want to sell something to someone, you first need to understand their problem. Okay, which is one part of sale, and the other part is if you are helping them achieve a goal. Right? तुम्हारे पास already गाड़ी है, I've been pushing you, and then मैंने तुम्हारे दिमाग में खिला Mercedes. Now buying a Mercedes has been a goal for you for many years, and now you have come to a stage where 70 लाख रुपए मेरे पास ready है. So in that time, at that moment, you will definitely go and take that decision of going and buying a Mercedes, because now you are in the mood of achieving that goal, right?
Yes.
Similar fashion for dresses. You have an occasion, you already have a dress which can fit well for that occasion, but नए फैशन में चाहिए अभी, you want something new, so you already have something, so problem नहीं है. Even by wearing that dress, it's not a problem, but now you want to look more better, more prettier, more beautiful, and that's why you go and buy a new dress, right? Which is helping you achieve a goal. So the most important factor in sales is that if you are, in a position, or rather, whom we are selling, the person should either have a problem or either should have the zeal that he wants to achieve a goal.
Yes.
Only after that you can sell.
Sale.
Okay. And that is why we developed LeadCon. Now we come back to, so these are the basics of sales, I would say. Okay. As you saw, I mean, if you, whatever examples I'm giving you, these are all real-time examples that happen in our lives.
Yes.
Right? So the most important factor is now how does LeadCon, which you are going to sell or which you are going to offer, is going to help someone solve their problem or achieve a goal. Okay, so I'm now going to take you through the value calculator of LeadCon. The value calculator is designed in such a way where for any businesses that comes in or you talk to, if the person is not sure about what exactly, where is he or whether does he need it or not, with the value calculator you can easily help him understand that where does LeadCon stand and why does he need it.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to take you to the value calculator now. This is our LeadCon main website. Okay, on the main website, if you scroll down, you can see here is the section which is called as the LeadCon value calculator. We have also mentioned it as should I invest in the sales automation tool? Okay, like because that is one of the crucial elements which defines whether it is suitable for you or not. So if someone wants to understand you connect and you don't know whether it is going to be there or not, then using this it is possible. So I click on LeadCon value calculator. Okay, now this is a sales team member based or a company based LeadCon value calculator.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you the question. So now let's take a hypothetical example of an organization, okay, that you might have worked or you might know, right? A simple organization, let's say with around 5 sales team members and so on and so forth. Okay. So the number of sales team members is 5. Let's consider 5. Okay. So now we are just choosing 5, or you tell me. So we have got so many. So you can tell me.
No, 5 is.
5 is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's choose 5. What according to you could be the average salary of a sales team member?
10,000.
10,000. Okay, so we choose 10,000. How many working days in a month that they would be working, or if you are the organization, so how many days? 15, 20, 25 days?
20, 25 days.
So I choose 25 days.
Yes.
Okay. Now being in sales, communication is extremely important,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
And sending out emails and connecting with the customer is extremely important. So keeping that in mind, I'm just going to increase the size so that okay. So keeping that in mind, how many do you think the salesperson should be sending the emails to connect with the customers in a day?
In a day, maybe 5.
Only 5? Are you sure?
5.
Like,
For
if they
we don't
want to connect with the customers,
okay,
in a day, in 8 hours,
okay,
isn't it? In 8 hours, only 5 emails. I guess you have got excess of money to give them. No, right? So
it's simple because you don't want to irritate the customer. That is also important, right?
Right, but then still, do you think that only connecting with 5 people is sufficient?
No, not 5. Like we need more people, of course.
Right. So how many? So 30, 40, 50. At least it's 8 hours. 8 hours of work,
30.
isn't it? 30?
Yes.
Okay. To send one email, how much time do you usually take? If you want to send an email, a communication email to a customer, how much time would you take? Tentatively, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes?
4 to 5 minutes.
5 minutes? So I'll choose 4 to 5 minutes, I'll choose 4 minutes. That you take 4 minutes to open kiya, compose kiya, dala, attachment, वगैरह सब कुछ. In a similar fashion, sometimes there might be a case that emails are not there. Then would you be sending SMSs? Yes. How many SMSs do you think that you would be sending? 20, 25, 30, 15? 20? Okay. To send one SMS, how much time do you think you would be taking? 3 minutes, 2 minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Putting the number in, writing the message and so on and so forth. In today's day, WhatsApp is widely used.
Yes.
Isn't it? So how much do you think that these people should be connecting over WhatsApp?
How many people?
I mean customers, the sales team members, the 5 sales team members that we are talking about, on a daily basis, how many different customers do you think that they should be connecting over WhatsApp and sending information?
More than 40 maybe.
More than 40?
Yeah, because WhatsApp is like really friendly.
Right. And fast and people want it.
Yes.
So around 40?
Yes.
Okay. Again, to send a WhatsApp message, saving the number and so on and so forth, how much time do you think to send?
3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes for WhatsApp. I'll just choose 3 because we'll choose a smaller side.
Yeah.
As you know, for sales, the most important part is reporting. आज काम क्या किया तुमने, isn't it? So how much time do you think that a sales team member might be taking to write down their daily sales reports?
Writing.
I mean submitting, like writing, submitting, putting,
maybe
whatever.
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go quickly.
Yeah.
As per your choice, we have chosen that there are 5 sales team members. Their average salary per member is 10,000 rupees. They are working 25 days a month. They send 30 emails for which they require 4 minutes. They may be sending 20 SMSs for which they require 3 minutes. Number of WhatsApp messages is higher because easy accessibility and all. Hence 40. Again with 3 minutes, and at the end of the day they have to write the sales report, which is around 10 minutes, right? So now let's figure out how much can LeadCon help. Just remember, why have we given this is because only on the basis of this calculator can you help a business understand the value of LeadCon for them.
Okay.
Or why is it necessary for them to use it. Okay. So LeadCon says that we can help you save 229 minutes per day per person.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. 229 minutes, which is as good as around 3 hours.
Yes.
3 hours and more, right? So let's so here is the form. Okay, so that because there is a detailed report, so not just this report, but we have given a detailed report that how does it work. So can you help me with your name, which I know JANHAVI, Janvi, correct?
Yeah.
Your email ID would be
Janvi Deshmukh 7011. It's the company name.
Oh, sorry. So I'll be putting
7011.
Right. Okay. So don't say it. Okay. I don't want them to know your real email ID. And then your contact number would be just random.
90
Mm-hmm.
49
Mm-hmm.
48
Mm-hmm.
41
Mm-hmm.
22.
All right. Okay. After this, when I click on get detailed report, sorry, I missed the company field. I'm gonna write Raman over here.
Okay.
No. Click on get detailed report. Now a report is being sent to your email, and voila, here it is, the complete report.
So we get the full report.
Correct. This whole report will be there in your email. Now, this is as per your current method. So in your traditional methods, the number of emails, okay, that you're sending, for which you take 4 minutes. With LeadCon, it happens literally in 0.9 seconds.
Okay.
To know how it works, if I click on know how, here is a small video of how it works.
Okay.
Done. So you can watch all these videos separately and you will get an idea about how it happens literally in 0.9 seconds. Then you have got SMSs which you send, which takes 3 minutes. Okay. Here is it normally you take around an hour's time to send those 30 SMSs. With LeadCon it happens, in 18 minutes. Okay. The cost to company. So when I say cost to company, what we are doing is the 10,000 rupees, which is the salary which is being paid, against the 25 days of work that they are doing. So there is an hourly and a minute by basis we have pulled out, to which we are giving the cost to company. Okay. With respect to WhatsApp, you take 120 minutes, we just take 36 minutes. Okay, cost to company is 100, here it's just 30. So if you'll see, the total time taken using your current traditional method is around 310 minutes, whereas with LeadCon is just 81 minutes. Okay, doing the same stuff. The total cost to company per person is around 258, whereas with LeadCon is just 68 rupees, right? So what is the total saving with LeadCon per year? Here, per team member, the person would be saving 1,045 hours, 1,145 hours per year. Just imagine what he can do, right? Just imagine what he can do with the time that is being saved. He can, we'll figure out. So even that we have given. Okay. The cost that a company would be saving is around 57,000 rupees. Okay. If we talk about the entire team, which is of 10 people, we are talking about 5,725 hours which could be saved. And the cost to the company which is being saved is around 2,85,000. Now, from the time that we are saving here, what would the person do?
Okay.
Which is, now I'm going to talk to you about the two aspects, which we shared. Solving a problem. Now, don't you think putting so much time is a problem?
No.
Putting so much time for doing things which could happen in just 81 minutes doing, putting an, I call it as a donkey work of 310
Yeah.
minutes, out of which it could only happen in 81 minutes. Don't you think it is a problem that when you're putting
Yeah,
310 minutes?
That's a problem.
Yes, that's a
Yes.
problem, right? And that's what the most important factor. When you have this problem, we have a solution to your problem. So what is the solution? Now, with the time that is being saved, okay, so which is out of this, as we said, that the 289 minutes that we saved totally, okay, we
Yes.
are going to see what all things happen, okay.
Okay.
Per day, if we consider that a person needs 1 hour for a meeting, 1 hour for a meeting, now the person is in a position to do 4 extra meetings. Extra.
Yeah.
In a month, he is in a position to do 100 meetings, considering 25 days. In a day, the number of calls that he is doing, if we consider that he is going to spend 5 minutes per call, so these are all connected calls on which he is actually talking to someone, not like busy tha, अरे बाद में फोन करो, कट कर दिया, not those calls where I am actually talking to you for 5 minutes. Now the person is able to do around 46 calls in a day. In a month, he can do extra 1150 calls. So just imagine, if he is currently doing, say, 1,000 calls in the current scenario. Because of LeadCon, he is now able to add another set of 1,000 calls.
Yes.
If in the earlier one, if we normally say that, the sales ka, there is a conversion rate, कि कितने convert हो रहे हैं. If it is 10, so 1,000 calls पहले कर रहा था, out of which 10% is around 100 were converting. Now with an addition of another 1,000 calls, conversion rate remaining the same, is now able to do another 100 sales, which is twice
Yeah.
expansion, which is literally 100% rise from the earlier sale that he was doing.
Yes.
So he was doing earlier 100, now he is able to do 200. Don't you think this additional sale is going to add value to your profit?
Yes, exactly.
Right? And that is the core purpose. We have also added that in case in the same time, if he happens to visit an exhibition or a conference, now he is in a position to do 2 conferences or 2 exhibitions, okay, if he's spending 2 hours there in a day, and such in a similar fashion around 47 of them. Now we spoke about the problem. Now let me show you what will happen to achieve your goal.
Okay.
With the cost that is being saved, as you can see this cost here,
Yeah.
okay, with this cost that is being saved, what all things could happen? You can buy 11 laptops,
Oh my god.
okay, which are worth 25,000 rupees. You are in a position to buy 29 new phones, which are of rupees 10,000.
10,000. Yes.
Right? So 29, we can also say that you can buy 2 iPhones worth a lakh of rupees. Rather 3, right? Then when it comes to, in case you wish to hire someone new, you can, with the saved cost, you can hire 1 extra person for whom you are paying 30,000 rupees salary, right? If in case you wish to participate in exhibition, you can now participate in 3 exhibitions in a year. If you wish to do training for your staff members, trainings for your staff members, now you can do 7 such trainings whose costing could be 40,000 rupees. So good training, maybe, for their engineering, whatever products you have, you can do good trainings for them, and such you can conduct 7 trainings in a year. Yeah. Now, do you think I am helping you achieve your...
Definitely you're helping.
Right? And that is why we say LeadCon is a sales companion. Okay? The core purpose of LeadCon has always been that, is increasing the revenue of the organization, because when the revenue of the organization increase, the sales increase, so does the profit. Right?
Yes.
So I hope you have understood the core essence of what we call it as, or why are we offering this opportunity for work from home, and why do we already have a huge set of customers who have bought from us, the LeadCon application with literally as good as no marketing. The reason being, we are helping them solve their problems and helping them achieve their goals. Right?
Yes.
So I would now like to take you through. So now as you have seen this, वो कहते हैं ना कि मुझे मर्सिडीज लेना है, राइट? अरे वाह बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन मैं चला के देखूंगा, राइट? So now I'm going to take you through the demo.
Okay.
And going to prove you this. So we are going to keep this in front of us, okay? And then we are going to go through the demo. So I'm going to keep this here, and we are going to see how does the demo work. And if it is correct, I want you to give a tick mark.
Okay.
Okay, like acknowledge if it is
Sure.
correct. Sure.
Yes.
All right. So let's start by downloading the app. To do that, we have also given a page here called as interactive demo. Okay, which is basically a step-by-step guide. So I'm just gonna put in your details again. Okay. Now there are various elements that we have given here. We are going to check out the LeadCon application, how it works. Okay. This is a complete DIY step-by-step guide on using the LeadCon application. Okay, so you have to do it yourself. So while there is a video running, okay, we are going to start off by doing it. Okay.